Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to build a real AI agent using Python and OpenAI that automatically sends you motivation emails at scheduled times. Imagine waking up in the morning with a powerful message that pumps up your motivation to win the day. Also, we have the evening alert for a gym motivation, and you can add many more once you understand the foundation of the project. So, this is going to be an amazing starter mini project where you will learn how to build your own AI agent with custom code, and you will get exposed to the possibilities to explore AI further. By the way, you can get the complete source code of this project from the description box below. So before we jump right into the coding part, let's see the flow of the project and how it works. So basically, the AI agent is the combination of using LLM or AI actions and other third-party integrations. In this case, we have LLM or OpenAI, which will create the motivation message for us. We will write a function for it. It will be based on the type of alert, such as morning or an evening motivation. Next, we will create a simple UI, which you can call a mini dashboard, from where we can schedule a motivation job, which will be based upon a specific time described in the setting. And also we will provide options to send the emails right away for testing purposes. Also, to store the settings for the scheduler, we will use the file read and write method because we don't need to create a complete database just for storing the metadata of motivation. And with this simple setup, our AI agent will work as we expect it to work. I hope this makes sense. Now, let's start implementing this inside code. So first of all, I want you to create a new project. I will name it Motivation-Agent. Open it inside VS Code. Install VS Code if you don't have it. Now here, create an env file. Get the OpenAI API key and the SMTP email and passcode and store them inside like this, with exact same key names as I have. You can get the OpenAI API key by going to OpenAI developer account. Simply create your key and copy it. For the Gmail SMTP, log in to your Google account. Click on Security and scroll down to the How you sign into Google section. Select two-step verification and enter your password when prompted. In case it's off, make sure to turn it on. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select App Passwords. Choose a name for your app password. Click on Generate and securely store your new app password. The email will remain same and you have your passcode, which you can use now as SMTP password. Now that you have your secret keys ready, let's create the requirements.txt file. And here you need to paste these, as these are the modules required in our project. Next, let's create the virtual environment. But before that, make sure you have Python installed, otherwise this command will not work. You can type Python install in your browser and install it for your operating system. It's easy and I am not going into the installation. So create a virtual environment. I will write the command as python-m venv. Our virtual environment called as venv has been created. Next, let's activate it with the command venv /scripts/activate. If you are on Mac, you need to use the following command. Anyways, now we are inside the virtual environment of the project. Now, let's install the following modules we defined already in the requirements.txt file. We are using Fast API framework for our mini project, as this makes it easy to create routes and help us build the dashboard. Anyways, you can see our command has been executed successfully and we have all the required modules installed. Next, we can create the root file. I will call it main.py. This is the file where all of our logic will sit for the project. So first, let's import all the modules needed at top. I have just copied it in order to save the time. Here we have Fast API to create our backend server, a P scheduler to run tasks automatically on a schedule, .env to securely load environment variables, OpenAI to generate motivation messages, SMTP-lib to send emails, datetime to work with the time. Next, we load environment variables. This allows us to store things like API keys and email passwords securely inside a .env file instead of hard coding them. Now we initialize our Fast API app and the OpenAI client here. Fast API is our backend server. OpenAI client is used to generate the motivation messages. Scheduler is our cron job, you can say, that will help us run tasks automatically in the background. Next, we create a simple settings file in order to store the user preferences or the metadata of the motivation, which then we will control using the UI dashboard that we will create in a moment. So it will hold the email, morning motivation time, and the evening gym time. We will load the default settings and update the settings using the save_settings function from the dashboard. So by default, we will use and display this schedule as default settings in the UI. And here, this function saves the updated settings whenever the user changes them from the dashboard. Now, this is where the real AI magic happens. We first detect the current day, then we create a prompt for the AI. If it's morning, we are giving this prompt to AI, so it generates a perfect morning motivation. And similarly, if it's evening, we have our prompt, then we call OpenAI. This generates a fresh AI motivation message every time, based on the motivation type we will pass when we need this function. Simple, right? Now we create a function to send the message to our email. The steps happening here are the following. First, creating the dynamic email message based on motivation type and other metrics as you see in the parameters. Second, attaching the AI text. Third, connecting to Gmail SMTP. And finally, sending the email. I have just created customized email template with HTML, so the email also looks good. Now we define our main functions for the tasks. Basically, the above functions we created will be used here, as we need to call these functions for our schedule functions and for our immediate testing points both. So in each of these, we need three things. Load the new settings, generate the motivation, which we are doing already via the LLM, and finally send it to the email with our email sending logic. Now finally we have our main functions ready. Now we just need to create the dashboard from where we can update the settings as per our schedule preferences and also run our main functions for testing purposes. So let's create the UI in the /root page of our application. It will hold the current settings as we have our file created with current settings. Again, I am using customized HTML template that you can modify easily. It has the time inputs for morning and evening and the buttons to test the motivation jobs. The Save Settings button will update the settings with new time that we select. It will update the file, and as we are already using the settings in the jobs, everything will work as we need it to work. Now finally, we will create the post route to update the settings. And let's create the scheduler job. It will get the time from the settings file, which we are already updating, right? So we are calling our main functions for motivation jobs here, based on the schedule we have in the settings. So finally, let's create the app listening and start our scheduler so it always listens in the background. Also, let's create the test route for our testing buttons. Here we just need to run the motivation jobs directly as we don't wait for the schedule here. They are just there for testing purposes. So once again, if I go through the code, we are just listening for settings route, which will just update the settings JSON. And then as we are fetching time from the settings file here and based on our schedule, just running a respective motivation action. For testing purposes, we are directly running the motivation jobs based on the button we clicked. Let's run our project. We are already in the virtual environment. Just type the command as uvcorn main:\app-reload. And as you can see, our server is listening on localhost port 8000. Let's open it up to see our project. And there you go, we have our dashboard showing up. From here, we can schedule the morning and evening motivations. And also, we can just click on testing the morning or evening alerts directly. Let's click on the morning one. And here you can see I got the alert perfectly. It is working. And we have our customized email template with a nice random motivation. I can also adjust the time near 1 minute to test out our scheduled alerts, just to see if they are working. Currently it's 10:15 and let's schedule it for 1 minute later. I will save the settings and here you can see just after 1 minute I got the alert. So we have created our daily motivation coach, a small and fully functioning AI agent with Python. Now this is a very simple example. You can do your own research to create more tailored productivity agents, products, or any other awesome tool. The possibilities are endless. You just need to figure out a new idea. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorials on AI agents, Python, or web development, make sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to access the source code of this project, make sure to check out the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.